Amid the India-US trade deal framework talks, Union Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal has in fact made this declaration that India is likely to get a Bangladesh-style 0% tariff on textiles as part of the US-India trade deal. This is a big announcement coming in that too, in terms of timing, if you look at it, there was a lot of chatter about how India could be losing out in terms of manufacturing in textiles when it comes to Bangladesh. But let's also listen into that announcement being made by Piyush Goyal.
एक और झूठ उन्होंने फैलाया पार्लियामेंट में कि बांग्लादेश को भारत से ज्यादा लाभ मिला है। वो भी सरासर झूठ है। जिस प्रकार से बांग्लादेश में एक सुविधा मिली है कि अगर रॉ मटेरियल अमेरिका से खरीदे, उसको प्रोसेस करके कपड़ा बना के एक्सपोर्ट करें तो वो शून्य रेसिप्रोकल टैरिफ पे जाएगा। वही सुविधा भारत को भी है और भारत को भी मिलेगी। अभी तो हमारा फ्रेमवर्क एग्रीमेंट बना है, जब इंटरिम एग्रीमेंट फाइनल होके आएगा तब फाइन प्रिंट पे आपको ये देखने को मिल जाएगा।
All right, let's quickly go back to Arunima. Arunima, put this into perspective for us. The Commerce Minister is now fact-checking Rahul Gandhi as well, because remember, this is also not just giving India a leg up over China. You're looking at textiles, particularly at a time when India is strongly establishing itself as a manufacturing hub.
So the allegation that was made was, and you heard Rahul Gandhi yesterday, what did he say? That, in ordinary circumstances, no Prime Minister or no government of the day would agree to such a deal. But because there is to quote Rahul Gandhi, a chokehold on the current Prime Minister, and he gave reasons, mentioned a corporate, mentions names of ministers in the Epstein files, and said that because of these problems, the Prime Minister is feeling the chokehold, and that's why he has given in to such a deal which is so unfair. In that line, Rahul Gandhi had also mentioned that even Bangladesh has managed to secure a better deal than us. Piyush Goyal, they are clarifying that the deal with Bangladesh, which is also available to India, is if you buy raw material from America. For example, if you're making a cotton finished wear, and if you're procuring the cotton from America, then when you make the finished product and send it back, you will not be imposed any levy, any tariff. That facility, Piyush Goyal says, is available to India as well. What is essentially happening right now is pure politics. You have Tamil Nadu, you have Kerala, you have Bengal, three important states going to polls. Some of the farmers, in fact, farmer groups are apprehensive about this deal, and government rightly is calling this a framework agreement. It's still a framework. The final agreement is still work in progress. But politics demands that Rahul Gandhi raises concerns about what the framework agreement has agreed upon, whether it's a sellout or not. When the final agreement comes, only then we will know. But for now, Piyush Goyal and the other ministers strongly rebutting the charges made by LOP.
All right, many thanks to you, Arunima, for bringing us all of those inputs and bringing us that perspective to that news story. With that, we are now shifting focus